Hi guys, I'm Heng. Today gonna show you how to clean your intake valve on your Honda Accord 2014 Sport. And today product is a CLC. So I heard a lot of good review for this this product. So I wanna test this out. Is it that good or not? Okay, in order you to do the intake valve cleaning, you need to find the vacuum hose, which is this one. So see, this one go to the intake valve, that hole come up to this one. So we need to unhook this one and use the spray go into that one. So I saw another guy that used the throttle body spray from that to the intake valve. It potentially can broke your map sensor, which is located right here. Let me see. Here's the map sensor. Sorry about that. Here's the map sensor. So if you spray to the throttle body, it potentially can broke your map sensor, so I don't recommend for that one. This is the best way to do it. Okay, now we need to unhook this one, so let's do it. You need to twist around. That's okay when you heard that kind of sound. See this one? Okay, you see me take it out this one. So we need to put the spray right here, but you need to have electrical tape to wrap around and spray it inside that one. Okay, for me, I don't have anyone to help, so you need some block like this, the wood 2x4 or something, to block here and put here and push the seat go to the front. Hopefully it's stable for 2000 RPM. Then you need to squeeze all the liquid from the bottle. After that, you need to ram it up like 2-3 times, then let it idle about a minute, and then let it sit down about 1 hour or something. Then we can go dry around for a good 10 minutes. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I just waited for 1 hour. It's done. So now we need to drive it in a freeway about 10 minutes, and let's see what's going on after that. Okay, I'm back with a good 10 minutes of driving. And I feel great with my engine, so I think it's a little bit more response after I clean it. So what are my thought? I think I recommend this product to everybody who use the GDI direct injection. So yeah, I like it, and I will do it more often.